When I say this class is one of the most important classes that you will take in college, I am not exaggerating. I am not using hyperbolic language. I am being serious. There is a reason that every single college student across this country is required to take this class. And it is not just because writing is a skill or a tool that you will use in all of your other classes. Writing is much more than, let's say, a metaphoric wheelbarrow or a tool where you move information from point A to point B. Writing is actually an act of knowledge creation. We create knowledge when we write. When we write and share and join, create conversations with society, we are influencing society. We are persuading others or being persuaded or being influenced. And it is so important to be aware of that, not only to be able to be responsible consumers of information and know how we are being persuaded, but to also turn that around and persuade others of our own ideas, of things that we think are important and meaningful. And so the theme of our learning community is global issues, local contexts. And I love this theme because we are all involved in these big global conversations, whether we are aware of it or not. Perhaps we live in circumstances of privilege where we don't have to worry so much about some of these conversations. We can go about our business. But even then, even if we don't fully comprehend that we are involved in these global conversations, they are influencing us, and we, even through our inaction, are influencing them. And so this class, we're going to look at writing because a lot of these conversations permeate, the globe through writing. We are going to look at writing and see how authors are using specific strategies to persuade us of their ideas, but we're also going to look at how we can use strategies to convey our ideas to others. In doing so, we will come to know more about these global conversations, not only on the global scale, but also in local contexts, because every single global issue at some level is also taking place in our local communities. And it is important to not only be aware of that, but be able to convey our ideas concerning that and understand what other people are talking about or persuading. So that's what we're going to do in this class.